If you're living with diabetes or simply looking to maintain a healthy diet, you might be wondering which breads are best for you. In this video, we'll explore the top breads for people with diabetes, referencing several studies to back up our recommendations. We'll keep the best for the end, so stay with us. But before we continue, if you appreciate all the information and the research that goes into making a video like this, it does help out tremendously if you hit the like button or hit subscribe. Thank you, and let's begin. When it comes to selecting bread for diabetes, the key is to choose options that are high in fiber, low in carbs, and have a low glycemic index, GI. This is because high fiber and low GI foods can help regulate blood sugar levels, making them ideal for people with diabetes. According to a study published in the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition, consuming high-fiber bread can help improve insulin sensitivity and glycemic control, which is crucial for managing diabetes. One great option is whole grain bread. Whole grains contain all three parts of the grain kernel, the bran, endosperm, and germ, which means they are rich in nutrients and fiber. A study in the Journal of Nutrition found that people who consumed more whole grains had a lower risk of developing type 2 diabetes. This is likely because whole grains can help with weight management and blood sugar control, both of which are important for preventing and managing diabetes. Look for bread that list whole wheat, whole rye, or another whole grain as the first ingredient on the label. Ezekiel bread, which is made from sprouted grains, is another fantastic choice. The sprouting process breaks down some of the starch in the grains, which can help lower the bread's GI. According to a study in the Journal of Food Science and Technology, sprouted grain breads have a lower glycemic response compared to non-sprouted breads. This means that they may help keep blood sugar levels steady after a meal. Plus, Ezekiel bread is high in fiber and contains various essential nutrients, making it a nutrient-dense option for people with diabetes. Rye bread, especially when made with whole rye flour, is another great option. A study in the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition found that consuming rye bread led to a lower post-meal insulin response than consuming wheat bread. This suggests that rye bread may be a better choice for people with diabetes, as it can help keep insulin levels in check. Additionally, rye bread is typically high in fiber and has a lower GI than many other breads. Flaxseed bread is another excellent choice, as it is rich in fiber, healthy fats, and essential nutrients. Flax seeds are known for their high content of alpha-linolenic acid, ALA, a type of omega-3 fatty acid that has been shown to have several health benefits, including reducing inflammation and improving heart health. A study published in the journal Nutrition and Metabolism found that consuming flax seeds can help lower blood sugar levels and improve insulin sensitivity, making flaxseed bread a great option for people with diabetes. Sourdough bread, which is made using a natural fermentation process, is another bread that can be suitable for people with diabetes. This is because the fermentation process helps break down some of the starches in the bread, which can lead to a lower GI. A study published in the British Journal of Nutrition found that participants who consumed sourdough bread had a lower blood sugar response compared to those who consumed regular white bread. Additionally, sourdough bread can be easier to digest for some people, thanks to the presence of beneficial bacteria and enzymes created during fermentation. Oat bread, made from whole oat flour, is also a great option, as oats are known for their high fiber content and beneficial effects on blood sugar levels. A study in the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition found that consuming oats can help improve glycemic control and reduce the risk of developing type 2 diabetes. Oats are also rich in beta-glucan, a type of soluble fiber that has been shown to help lower cholesterol levels and improve heart health. When choosing oat bread, look for options made with whole oat flour and minimal added sugars. Now that we've covered several excellent bread options for people with diabetes, it's time to reveal our top pick, almond flour bread. This unique bread is made from almond flour, which is simply ground almonds. Almond flour is low in carbs and high in healthy fats, fiber, and essential nutrients like vitamin E and magnesium. Almond flour bread has a low GI, making it an ideal option for those looking to maintain steady blood sugar levels. A study published in the journal Metabolism found that consuming almonds can help improve glycemic control and lower the risk of cardiovascular disease in people with type 2 diabetes. Additionally, a review in the journal Nutrients found that almond consumption can help reduce the glycemic impact of high-carbohydrate foods when consumed together, making almond flour bread a smart choice for pairing with other carb-containing meals or snacks. Another major advantage of almond flour bread is its gluten-free nature. Since it is made without wheat, barley, or rye, almond flour bread is suitable for individuals with celiac disease or gluten sensitivity, who may also be managing diabetes. While almond flour bread can be found in some specialty stores or online, it is also easy to make at home with just a few simple ingredients. There are numerous recipes available online that cater to various dietary preferences and restrictions, including vegan, paleo, and keto-friendly versions. The best bread is almond flour bread. This bread is low in carbs, high in healthy fats, fiber, and essential nutrients, and has a low glycemic index, making it ideal for maintaining steady blood sugar levels. Additionally, it is gluten-free, making it suitable for individuals with celiac disease or gluten sensitivity, who may also be managing diabetes. Side effects of eating too much bread. Bread is often the first on the list to get cut when someone is wanting to focus on eating fewer carbs or is trying to drop some pounds. But what are the side effects of eating too much bread you'll want to look out for? Is it really damaging your health? We break it all down for you, highlighting the biggest side effects that can come with eating too much bread. You'll end up hungrier. This is where it matters what type of bread you're eating. See, bread is obviously high in carbs, and white bread specifically is high on the glycemic index. One study has found that consuming foods that have a high glycemic index may actually increase hunger and promote overeating, which is not something you want to be doing after eating a lot of bread. You gain weight. Besides the fact that bread can lead to overeating and cravings, which will cause you to pack on more pounds, white bread has been stripped of fiber and nutrients. This means your body breaks them down very quickly, so you're not getting any fiber when the fiber is something you want to eat plenty of because it keeps you fuller longer. Instead, you're just left hungry and then consuming more calories. A vicious cycle. You can get backed up. Another downside of not eating enough fiber is that your digestive system starts to get a little out of whack, and you might end up getting backed up and suffering from constipation. Well, all that bread isn't doing much to help your bowel movements and keep you regular, and there's nothing more uncomfortable than that, right? In conclusion, there are plenty of bread options available for people with diabetes. When making your selection, prioritize breads that are high in fiber, low in carbs, and have a low glycemic index. Whole grain bread, Ezekiel bread, rye bread, flaxseed bread, sourdough bread, and oat bread are all fantastic choices. However, our top recommendation is almond flour bread, thanks to its low GI, nutrient-dense profile, and gluten-free nature. By incorporating these healthy breads into your diet, you can enjoy delicious and satisfying meals while effectively managing your diabetes. Thank you for watching today's video. Please like, share, and subscribe for more informative content about diabetes and nutrition. Stay healthy and take care.